A very good morning to you all children. Today you might have bought this book from the school. This is cursive letter UKG book. This one. In this book we will be learning the capital cursive. Okay. So previously we learned the small cursive, capital letter, small letter and small cursive. Today we will be starting the capital cursive. Okay children. So what is this? This is an ant. A for ant. So now we will be learning how to write A for ant. Now we will start from the middle of the two blue lines, that is here. From here you will start and it will go up and touch the red line. Again from the middle of the two blue lines we will start and go up and touch the red line. Here we will just start from the middle of the two blue lines and write on the dotted lines. Here again start from the two blue lines, start, then like this, then trace on the dotted lines, trace on the dotted lines like this. Now we will come to the second line, trace here, again here start from the two blue lines, in between the two blue lines, go up, come down, again from the middle of the two blue lines, go up, come down like this. Here from the middle of the two blue lines, go up, come down like this, like this. Children, just trace on the dotted lines so that you can write properly. Like this. Parents, you can please help out your children like this. A for ant. A for ant. Again start from the middle of the two blue lines, go up, come down, make a loop in between, then like this. Start from the middle of the two blue lines, go up, come down, make a loop like this. Start from middle of the two lines, go up, come down, make a loop like this. Go up, come down like this. Now here we have to write with our free hands. Start from the middle of the two blue lines like this, go up, come down and make a loop like this. Again see my hand how it is going. Right from the two, in between the two blue lines, start here, go up, come down, make a loop like this. Here again come down, go up, come down, make a loop. Here make a loop. Now again I will show you how to write. Here in between the two blue lines, go up, come down like this. Go loop. 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 Like this you have to finish the page. Next comes B. B for book. Here also children trace on the blue on the dotted lines. From here come down, here come down, make a loop, come down, make a loop. Now a curve, here make a loop, make a curve, again a big curve. This is B. B for book. Here come down, a curve, here come down, a curve, make a loop, come down, make a loop, then a curve, come down, make a loop, a small curve, then a big curve. Children, trace the dotted line so you can write with your free hands like this. Like this. Like this. This is B for book. Here I am showing you with my free hands. I am not writing on the dotted lines. See, just beneath the red line, top red line, start here, come down, make a loop, go up, small curve, then a big curve, again like this. This is B. Start just beneath the red line, come down, make a loop, go up, make a small curve, then a big curve like this. This is B. B for book. Now see again. Now just beneath the red line, top red line, from here we will start, come down, make a loop, a small curve, then a big curve. This is B. B for book. Come down, make a loop, small curve, big curve. This is B. Like this you have to write B for book. Next comes C. This is same as the small c, but you have to write within the 3 lines. Here a big stroke, here a big stroke, here big stroke and curve. See, isn't it? Small stroke. Next it will extend to the top red line. Again it will extend to the top red line. Here it will complete C. Okay. Start from the third blue line, a stroke, extend up till the top red line, then come back, a curve, go up little bit. It will be between 2 blue lines. Again we will write C. Now start from the second blue line, a stroke, extend till the red line, top red line, then come back like this and it will go. C for cake, C for cake, C for cake. This line also you please trace it on. Now here I am writing with my free hands, not on dotted lines. Start from the second blue line, a stroke, extend toward till the first red line. Next come back, C, C for cake, C for cat. Now again second blue line, a stroke, extend to the top red line like this, a little bit curve, then come back. This is C. C for cake. C for cake. C for cake. C for cake. Like this you have to write the full page. Next comes D. Next comes D. Now D for drum. Here we will be starting just below the top red line. From here to the second blue line, next a loop like this down. Here come back down. Here come down, then go up. Here just start just below the top red line like this, come below, make a loop, come down, then go up like this and a curve. Okay, here I will show you how. Just below the top red line we will be starting just like that, come back, a loop, down like this. From here we will start, come back here like this, come down, go up. Just below the top red line starting, come down, touch the second blue line, a loop like this, then go up. Here we will be starting just below the top red line like this. We will be coming, just make a loop, come down, now go up and make a curve. This is D. D for drum. How D is written? Now again I will be showing you how to write D, the full D. Just below the top red line we have to start. From here come down like this, make a loop like this, come down again, go up and again make a loop. This is D. Children, you trace it on your the dotted line so that you can write with your free hands. Okay, like this, make a loop, come down, go up like this and like this. Start from the top red line just beneath it, come down like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. D. D for drum. D for drum. This line also you have to trace it. I am showing you how to write with your free hands. Now start from the just beneath the top red line. You have to start it from here. Come down, make a loop, come down, come up. This is D. D for drum. D for drum. Here we will start, come down, make a loop like this, like this, like this. D for drum. Like this. D for drum. Just below the top red line we will be starting. Come down, make a loop like this and a curve. This is D. D for drum. So we have to fill up the page. Okay, and the dates the dates. For group A, some other date, and group B, other date. So you have to write the date according to the video. It is coming to your post. Okay. So when the video will be posted to you, on that day, the date you have to write. Okay, children? Okay. Like this you have to write. A for ant, B for book, C for cake, and D for drum. Thank you, children. Thank you, parents. Bye-bye. Stay safe.